Hey friends, so I want to make a short video. The talk of the hour right now is obviously coronavirus, and I wanted to just let you guys know that we are making it a top priority at both of our gyms here in Kansas City and in Parkville to make sure that these locations are super sanitized and clean at all times. So we have an outside source that comes in weekly and does cleaning, and then with all of our trainers and Diana and myself, we're taking the extra time to clean up after everyone that walks into our gym. Again, we have a very unique situation. We're a private gym, so everybody that walks into the doors, we have the ability to clean up after every set, every exercise, cleaning the bathrooms, cleaning the doorknobs, the iPads, everything. I mean, we're going to that level right now just to ensure that you guys know that we are staying super sanitized and doing everything in our power to keep the place clean. On a side note, we have plenty of hand sanitizer. It is a hard thing to come by these days. Fortunately, I bought it far in advance. And we have plenty of toilet paper. So we are good here at Hitch Fit. We're super clean, and we want to keep our doors open to be able to continue transforming lives, folks, here in the Kansas City area and beyond. And we just wanted to wish you guys an amazing weekend, and I look forward to seeing you guys kick some butt in these gyms. All right, guys, have a good day. We'll see you soon.